on this, the last leg of our Victorian holiday, we visit the 12 Apostles while travelling to Warrnambool, then check out Timboon Ice Cream and Distillery, and then head on to the unexpectedly great Portland.
Turkish delight. You won't eat Turkish delight, mate.
Then the coffee.
You can't have the coffee one.
The one back here then.
Passion fruit, sorbet,
Wait.
He's just gone by salt one.
caramel.
So, yes.
Okay.
Ice cream.
Plenty of ice cream to take home for later too. Now of course I had to stop next door at the distillery. Good, how are you?
Come on in.
With a quick stop off at Schultz Organic Dairy for even more food. What do you think of us?
What? It's cream.
What are you smiling to?
I thought that was ice cream.
Do you like it?
How's that all from a volcano?
A local at the supermarket told us about this spot. We're glad we came out to have a look.
Yeah, you can do that one. Look.
We headed back to the caravan park to check out their activities room. Just wait, mate.
Ooh, I got that one.
Oh, looks like Spider-Man.
Oh, so good. We run for sure.
And for a couple of games of table tennis. Even though it was freezing cold, the kids still wanted to go for a swim. Our time at Warrnambool Big Four is done and we're off to Portland. We arrived at Portland and were surprised at how nice it was. We just stayed in a council-operated overnight free camp, jumped on the little train and went for a ride. This was honestly one of the best tours we had ever done. The volunteer tour guide had so much interesting information about Portland's history. It was amazing to listen to.
outside?
He wants to go inside.
Yeah.
We went to have a look at the jetty that you can drive along. And to check out the fishing boats.
See, Chelsea, can you see all of the wood chips being... Yeah, coming out. Yeah. Like, this is what you see in movies, like the old Timboon. That's just how they are, isn't it?
Portland was such an unexpected surprise. We can't wait to get back to explore more.
Is that in China?
It is. Must be getting all the bits from the back.